Hello, friends. This is Azza. This is James. Let's wave hi to our friends. Hi. Hi. Today I got a very special thing for you. What is it, Miss Azza? I want to see it. Let's go to the doll's house and see what's inside. Surprise! Oh, that's so cool. I like this toy. What is this, Miss Asa? This is a microwave. A microwave, we use it to warm the food. Open! Here, we can put hot dog and close it. Here, push to start. Oh, I like that. Yes, it goes round and round. I want to warm the sandwich. I want to warm the chicken. I want to warm the croissant. Yes, you can, but one thing at a time. It's almost done. Now open. Be careful. You can put it with the fork in this plate. Out. Be careful. It's hot. Hot. Now we can warm the chicken. And chicken. I like chicken. Do you like it, James? Yes, I like chicken. I like hamburger. Now we can pick one. This is the chicken. Here, start. It goes round and round. I like this. Almost done. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Now, take it out and this plate. Keep the hot dog here and put the chicken out. Out. Now, we can warm the croissant. And close. And where is the croissant? Is this the croissant? No, no, no. This is the croissant. Press on it and start. Goes round and round. This is really fast. Open. We put it here with the hamburger sandwich and this plate. Out, out. Let's close the microwave. Now we're gonna fix the hamburger sandwich. Now we're gonna fix the hamburger sandwich. We need to put the cheese first on this bun. Here, tomato, hamburger, cucumber, and the bun. The food is ready. Be careful, it's hot. Now we can create some donuts. And we keep this hamburger here. Open. We have this kind of Play-Doh. Oh, I don't want to touch it. I'm scared. No, James, you can touch it. You just need to put like that. Touch. Touch. Oh, gonna try. It doesn't hurt. It's so soft. You can stretch it. You can do it this way. You can create a ball, round and round and round and go, like that. It's a ball. We press, press, press. We can do cake with this, like that. I like it. We can decorate it with different colors. We have orange. We can add some orange color on top, like that. We can add green here, green color. Like leaf, one here, one here. We can add pink in the middle. I like that. I like it. Now we can make a donut. Take some and round, roll it, roll it, roll it with two hands, like that, and make a circle. I want to do it. I want to do another one. You can do it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, like that, and round, make a circle. We have 1, 2 donuts. Now we're going to clean up by putting them back in the container, like that, to keep them nice and not too dry. Cover it. This, we're going to keep it this way. Close. Now, all done. You did a great job today, James. Thank you for your help. Let's wave bye-bye to our friends. Bye-bye. See you soon.